campground, but it is pretty chilly. So that was the first night we had to get out the warm woolies and put everything on because it was very chilly. Too bad we couldn't go in for a swim. Didn't bring our suits, and it's not really a private place to go skinny dipping like we did at the last swimming hole. So, too bad. Next time. O and L. L? It's a nice way to start the day, even though it's really friggin' cold. It's only 8 degrees. But it's sunny, and it's nice. And we don't have to deal with traffic for a while. We're right downtown in Verdun, but we're right along their canal, which is wonderful. The Meuse Canal. Woo! I'm gonna go right into it. Shop here. Big shout out to these guys. They're based on Atelier Cycle. There was a guy, we didn't get his name, but he speaks English and he works in Australia, and he fixed my bike for me. Apparently tension in the cables wasn't properly done. So it's all done. Good. Once again, we're on a canal route, no hills, thank God. But so we're back on the Meuse Canal after visiting the memorial at Douoamont. We're following the EuroVelo route. We're on number 19 now. Look at it. Beautiful. Okay, so we made it to this place, Meuse. It's a paid campground again because we're pretty pooped. Well, I'm pretty pooped. But it's just, we just want to set up our tent and have something to eat and drink our beer. Where's Ira? See the ducks? Whack, 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 whack. Whack, whack, whack. So Sandy came back from the Abbey way up on the hill and said I missed a beautiful view, but that's okay. I didn't want to do the climb. So we're going to have our little supper. Anna, this is for you. We're having camembert, grapes, bread, these little things we have discovered, which are really, really like, I'm not sure, pepperoni sticks or something, but they're easy to carry and they're light. Beer, Belgian beer, and for dessert we have an apple tart. Looks amazing. So that's gonna be yummy, and then we'll go to bed because we have to get up early in the morning and cycle again.